Okay, so we missed high tide. So we gotta get back. Watch people looking at us. Alright, let's go. Look at this guy. He's trying. So we're at the Otemon gate in Tokyo, Japan, ready to go into the Imperial Park. You guys ready to do this?
Yep.
I brought it, but I knew I couldn't fly it here.
The walls here are 15 meters tall.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Jess.
Jess. So I heard you're staying in a capsule hotel here in lovely Tokyo, Japan.
Yep.
How is that experience?
It is different. I'm glad I did it because it's kind of an adventure. I don't think you can find it a lot of places. It is not terribly comfortable. I would recommend it for a night or two. I stayed 5. That was a little much. My back is not happy with me.
Cool. Thank you. Enjoying the Imperial Gardens? Jess? Best time of your life?
We couldn't find the entrance to the palace.
I'm a little bit hungry, but let's do tourism first. Well, we're trying to see the Imperial Palace, you know, beautiful gardens behind us. We did that. And then we walked 8K looking for the actual palace, which we did not find.
Yeah,
Yeah. Anyone excited about this?
No.
No.
It's gonna eat.
Yeah, we're gonna go get food. We're done. We'll see the palace next time. We're so excited for sushi. Hey! Konnichiwa! We found it. The Hanamaru's specialty, king crab. It's actually pretty good. Uh-oh. This is the face of...
It doesn't taste good.
Wasabi! These are all clamshells. Okay, so we missed high tide. So we gotta get back. All these people looking at us. Look at this guy. He's trying. Wet shoes. Was it worth it? No! Look at this guy. Just making all tourists look bad. Why, sir, are you not wearing shoes?
My shoes are soaking wet because of an incident which happened earlier today. Trying to make beautiful drone footage. We were lampooned on an island, and there were many children laughing at us as they realized the error of our way. But we made it. But the shoes were the collateral damage. And to cut long story short, this will be the last holiday I spend with Tim.
Look, I got normal shoes on. 'Cause I'm a normal person.
They wet.
They're wet, but nobody knows that but me.
Well.
So, but we know.